Caboose ride. This is the Walbash Caboose that we restored last year.
Jeremy, I want to be on your YouTube channel.
Alright, this is Chris Homeco, our member relations director. Anyway, I'll just show you the car real quickly. These brass things here, I've sandblasted these and cleaned these up right here. That was one of the things I did on a Friday once. And the window blocks, me and Steve made those, but that are over by that gentleman there. Sorry. Hey, you don't mind being on YouTube, do you? Okay. Alright. So those blocks over there behind the gentleman there, me and Steve made those on the table saw. They're window jams that go up in here. Oops. Let me back this out just a little bit. They go up in the windowsills here so it doesn't go slamming down. And then the sink and the stove is refurbished. And this is what it looks like out here in Indiana. Out in New Haven by the Ohio and Indiana border on our property here at the Fort Wayne Railroad Historical Society. Been a good growing season, but been busy. No doubt. Between work and housing projects around our house, been pretty busy. It's nice to finally get some time away. See the countryside for our little section of track here on property. And this here is the Maumee Valley Steam Club, I think. Well, that's the airport for the model railroad, or not. They fly like a remote control aircraft. Behind that is the Maumee Valley Steam Club and blacksmith, and they have stationary engines. And I took some videos of that yesterday on Friday. It's pretty neat, but I still like trains. A lot more power and bigger size. That's a whistle post. I'll set this down so you can go for the ride.
What railroad do you work for? I'm going to kick your butt. Okay. Oh, service is so bad right now between you guys and CSX. I'm a customer and... Oh, you're a Bungie. Bungie. I don't like it. Down in yep.
Yeah, I bet you're just loving PSR, aren't you?
Oh, it's terrible.
Actually, maybe I should cut the conversation because it's going to be on YouTube and we don't want to upset people. I'll turn it off.
He makes a valid point.
What were they saying? The safety meeting, don't, make enemies. Hang on. I'm going to...
How would I make enemies? I hate all railroads equally. So Kelly and I have been watching to see if anybody's photo pops up in your Jeep in yet. I haven't looked in a couple hours, but I'll let you know if anybody tags us with your Jeep photo.
Yeah, I put it on a Dodge page I'm on Facebook.
Maumee Valley. And this is reaching toward the end of our track here.